Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Cadillac CTS. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a navigation system, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, variable valve timing, 17-inch wheels, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, traction control, OnStar, a power driver's seat, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This Cadillac has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.